Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share the August 2023 Kraftin Kimmie release. Everything is available now in the Kraftin Kimmie shop. Everything will be listed in the description box below. We have Lost in a Book, which is a great stamp set for the book lover in your life. You Can Never Get a Cup of Tea Large Enough or a Book Long Enough to Suit Me by C.S. Lewis. Get Lost in a Good Book. Reading A Vacation for the Mind by Dave Barry. A great stamp set there. We also have Fall Favorites, which is super cute. Have a coffee with a squirrel and a bunny, a caramel apple with a mouse, a bear and a pie, a bunny and like a squirrel probably on the pie. It says, you are the caramel to my apple. Give thanks and eat pie, and grateful for you and coffee. So fun. And then we have Storytellers, which I absolutely love. Have a dragon, a couple other, not sure exactly what they're supposed to be, but little creatures, mythical creatures, and a mermaid. And good luck on your quest. It's not hoarding if it's books. To a new magical chapter. And in a world of bookworms, be a book dragon. Love it. We also have 2 stencils being released today. This is the Perfect Pies layering stencil. There's 2 different stencils in there that you layer to create pies. I'll show you examples in a minute. And then we have the Leafy Mandala stencil. So these are also available today. Both are fabulous. All right, so on to my creations for this release. Here's using that Storytellers Stamp Set to a magical new chapter. Have that mermaid there. Just use that paper on the inside. Thought she turned out really cute. Next we have that Storytellers again. And this is that Leafy Mandala stencil. I just did it in 2 different colors. Kind of divided it up. In a world of bookworms, be a book dragon. And the dragon's reading there. Really love that. And then there's the inside. Then here is that layering pie stencil. You can see it makes such fun background, and use that Fall Favorite stamp set with that bear. Give thanks and eat pie. And I have him on the inside as well. And then the Lost in the Book. I love how this card turned out. I struggle so much with pastels, and I love that I was able to get pastels on here. You Can Never Get a Cup of Tea Large Enough or a Book Long Enough to Suit Me by C.S. Lewis. And I stamped all the images and then placed them on there. And then on the inside, I put Get Lost in a Good Book and stamped that again. Again, I love that card. And then I also used the Lost in the Book stamp set to create 2 bookmarks. This one I did cut out the words Get Lost in a Good Book and just color those up, pastels again. This one I thought it would be fun to just do in blues, and so that's what I did. And so there's 2 bookmarks that I did. And that is what I have for the Kraftin Kimmie August 2023 release. And again, everything is available now. I will link everything in the description box below. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Have an amazing day. Bye.